Hello, Sarah Ryerson. Welcome to San Diego.
Hi. Thanks. We're here at the Challenge Athletes Foundation race.
What brings you out to this event every year?
You know, I've been involved with the Challenge Athletes Foundation for years, and it's really the organization that helped me become a triathlete, because, you know, as an athlete with a disability, we need extra equipment just to get to the starting line. We need these prosthetic legs, or these racing wheelchairs, or these hand cycles, and, you know, my running leg costs $36,000, so that can be a big hurdle for people to get over. It's not just getting the pair of sneakers and the motivation to get out there, it's having to get this whole other prosthetic leg just to run, and insurance companies don't cover the running leg, so $36,000 can really keep somebody out of the game, and the CAF is there to help make sure that any athlete of any ability can get that piece of equipment so they can get off the sidelines and into the game.
Insurance companies do not help with this at all. There's no assistance whatsoever.
They cover for an everyday prosthetic. They'll get you a foot that gets you from the couch to the fridge, but they're not interested in necessarily getting you a running leg or a biking leg. They'll get you one everyday wheelchair. They won't get you a tennis wheelchair or a basketball wheelchair or a racing wheelchair. And those chairs are about $5 grand a piece. So you even think about, for a child who's constantly growing, that for a family to provide, you know, little Johnny with a tennis wheelchair every time he grows, that can be a huge financial hardship to that family. You know, just getting that everyday chair can be a hardship to that family. So the sports chair is really a luxury, but we know the power of sports can be so healing, and we all need to do sports, but especially those people with physical disabilities, they need it a little more.
So the word on the street is you wrote a book.
I did. I just came out with a book. It's called In a Single Bound. Came out about a month ago. It's my first book. It's a memoir. It's about my story of losing my leg, becoming an Ironman, and overcoming a lot of life's challenges.
And where can people find this book?
You can find this book on Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, Borders. We're also here at the expo selling it, and I will also be around the country at tons of events selling the book at the New York Marathon Expo and all sorts of races. So,
are they able to buy it off your website?
No, Amazon.com. They're in the business of doing it. I don't have a warehouse at my house. I can't do it better than Amazon. So just go to the pros, Amazon.com.
Well, thanks for coming out to San Diego and keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a good job.
Happy training.